What's up, guys? It's No One Shell back here yet again. We are gonna talk about hostile captains. So for those combat training missions that we all get all the time, I want to do some explanation on these bosses and how to handle them. If you're lower level, like look at this guy. He's 747k strength just alone. That's ungodly. The thing is, you can use more than one ship to handle them, and the lithium rewards for them alone is just amazing. Look at this. A level 35 mining captain gives 8.8 million to lithium. That's a shit ton, including speed ups and epic officer recruit tokens and 3 Neros for just this one alone. I did a few today and I'm at 20.6 million to lithium just alone. And if we look at this captain, let's do a breakdown compared to my flower. So we're gonna scan it. We can see he has 1,000 or 119,000 shield. My flower has 243k, but he's a explorer. Explorer versus explorer is a good fight. But if you bring in a battleship, they have the upper hand. Like the Kamari, they have disruptors. We go down to it. We compare the attacks. 137 to 318k. You know that's not going to stand a chance. These guys are just built like tanks if you compare everything. It's nuts. We get to the defense. That's where we have a chance. Or that's shield deflection. But we go down further to health. So the health is a whole different story. 243k versus 119k whole health. They have more, but you can use more than one officer or more than one ship to actually do it. I might lose this battle, but I'm just using this example so people know they can do more than one ship at it. I don't think you can do 3 because the shield instantly comes back. So I'm going to first hit it with my Saladin, and then I'm going with my flower, and then I'm going to come at it with my Kamari. I'm going to lose some, but why not? Just to show. So we're coming at it with my Saladin. He hits it. We wait till it finishes it off. Saladin dead. Then we hit it again. It shields at half health. Boom. Lost that one. And then we hit it with the Kamari. It shields up. Probably going to lose this one. Yep. But we can look at the breakdown now. Even at these losses, we go to our breakdown. So we go to the hostile captain. Boom, we took about a good amount of shield down, a good amount of his health. It went through the battle logs. We have all the bonuses from Spock, Kirk, Uhura, and then the opener, they hit me with 59k alone, just to my Explorer. And then, but my Saladin, Saladin. That's what it took in. If you look at the Saladin put out 17k, and then it was all mitigated down here. Go through list. It only lasted 2 rounds. That thing went like a bug on a windshield. Then we go down to the flower. Flower had more of a chance. It took a good amount of its health out. And then we go down. Mayflower mitigates. It lasted 5 rounds. Nero's burn was in effect. We go through it. So that's where we're here at. And then we come into that. See, look at this. The health reset. There's the issue. But my officer setup on my Kamari wasn't right. We'll redo that one, and we'll come back here in a few more minutes and try it one more time, worth a shot. But I think I'm just going to come at it. Let me see. Its shield is halfway down with my flower, and it regened a little bit. So let's reset this back up again. Let's fix everything. And yeah, 4 hours for a freaking fix. That's nuts. We need that augment fix back already as a permanent, because some of these ships are just like ungodly to fix at times. So let's spin that. Let's get my Kamari back up. That's my least one to worry about. So 3 hours, do a 15-minute, get him back up. Let's swap my Kamari's crew with I want to say a Gorkin crew. So let's find Gorkin in this mix, and we'll grab Chang. We'll put him on the bridge so we can find Gorkin easier. Group it. Boom, pulled Gorkin in. And then we want hull breach crew. There's a hull breach right there, and I believe she's a hull breach if I remember right. 15% of the hull breach, I think. Let's see, attack maneuvers. Curly decreases critical damage to all when firing kinetic weapons. I have to look back into that. Let's pull all these guys on the ship. Let's add them in. Let's see, are we kinetic on this big boy? Energy, energy, and kinetic. But we're going against Explorer, so it's not going to help. So Cheng has his hull breach. Alright. And then sometimes I want to use actually I think I'm going to switch my crews to, let's take everything off this one. I'm going to redo my crew. I need to stop, grab my chest while doing this. Let's take everything off that one. Oh, I took everything off the wrong one. I feel dumb. Let's redo this again. So, where's Nero? Let's grab you. Group. I could have just made this easier, but sometimes I do the dumb things. Grab Vermin, since he has a burn. We grab Watch the Burn from whatever the hell his name is. Boom, boom, boom. And then we're going to swap this one out. Just my NS. We're going to put my Kamari right here. Assign one more officer. Grab the groups. Grab my last Romulan. Boom. And then we're grabbing this. Nope, we're not touching that one yet. We're grabbing the Explorer here. No, we're not grabbing the Explorer here. What am I doing? I'm putting the Explorer here. Swapping you out. It's a Mayflower. Then I'm swapping you out with a Saladin. So usually the officer setups are pretty much simple. You usually want Nero on your battleships. You usually want Kirk's crew on your Explorers, and you want Gorkin crew, since it's kinetic-based weapons, on your interceptors. And that's about that point. Let's send them back out. I'll be back in a few minutes with my when my ships arrive. So it's going to be an extensive flight. So it's about a 10-minute flight for each of them. Alright, we're back at the next one. This time we're going to open up with a Saladin, and then we're going to follow it with the Flower, and then we're going to follow it with my Kamari. Let's see if we can actually do it this time. Send that one in. And then, oops, I opened up the wrong one again. I feel kind of ridiculous, but whatever. Let's try it. Let's see if we can do this time. Oh, my Mayflower got it. See, 2 ships are able to do it when you have the right crew set up and not be not so bright like I was by originally sending out the wrong crews. You just have to use the right crews mixed with the right ship combo when you're trying to take down these hostile captains. Check this out. I click on it. So I'm going to get another 8.1 or 8.8 million mixed with another, what, 12 8-hour speed ups, 1,100 recruit tokens, legendary at that. And then I get 3 Nero shards just from that alone, collecting it. And I score that with that one. And my next one is kill 3 36s, and I'll earn another 4.9 million to lithium. And you can see those officers right there. That's really what this video is about, is actually show people that they actually can do the hostile captains with more than 1 ship. You don't need 2, you don't need 1, you can do 1, 2, and 3. I'm not sure about 4, I haven't tried that yet, but let's collect these rewards quick, and then we hop back to the battle log. So let's see what my Saladin did. This one was just by accident. It took down half the health when you have the right crew set up. You run through it, you have the contribution of hull piercing, another piercing, and then it starts from the bottom. So Gorkin starts with a quick victory activated with 25% critical chance for 2 rounds. So the hostile captain opened up with a round of 5,700 damage. It was mitigated. It received the hull and the shield. So if we look at the Saladin, it crit right away at 31,000. No, actually 318k at the first round. And the hostile captain mitigated 209k of it alone. That's some amazing mitigation. But it took 87k to the shields and another 21k to the 21k to the hull. And then Gorkin's maneuver creating opportunities activated 7% chance of causing hull breach for 3 rounds. And then you have the maneuver from, I can't even say that name, I'm not gonna even try. 50% to armor piercing the ship. Then Cheng's Doggo's War activated, which is 40% chance to delay opponents' weapon fire while critical breaches going on, a hull breach is going on. Then she does a 15% armor piercing, so it would open it up again with 57k damage. The salad mitigated 110 or 11k of it, and it took some hits. And then the Saladin came out with another crit at 154k alone. The shield got depleted, and then that's when the Saladin took a dump. And then we hop back to the flower, and that's where the flower did its job. Since I have the since I have the Kirk crew on it, this is how it looked. Of course, it opened up, and then we all know the story, and it won. All right, and last thing but least, so the date right now is 6/10 of 2019, and they started another event while the mining event's going on, which is at least making it interesting. Is the battle for the glory of the event, which for me, I have to do 32 plus to get 20 points, and I got to do 600 points apiece. Let's start with what I get at the first one. I get 10 of the Alliance trophies, 62k steel, 25k trit, and only 4k dilithium. And we pop up to the next one. I get 125k parasteel, I get 50k trit, and 8k dilithium, and 42k or 42 uncommons or common gas, and 8 uncommon refined gas. We hop to the third tier, 250k steel alone, 100k titanium, 16k dilithium, 48 common ore, and then 10 uncommon refined crystal. This is all G3, so you know. And then the last one is I get 815k steel, 325k trit, 50k dilithium, 54 common crystal, and then 12 uncommon ore. And this makes up for the damage you take during that event. For like a higher level, it's a little easier. Like my Admiral is level 33, and he only has to do 500 points for this event, but he's going 36 pluses, and his rewards are about the same. All right, guys, I'm gonna check out this video. Have a great day and keep hunting on.